So while using Windows 10 or 11, you may have the issues with the Wi-Fi where many people, when they click on the system tray at the right hand corner to search for the Wi-Fi doesn't appear here. And many, when they go to the settings and go to the network and internet, the Wi-Fi option is also missing from here. And similarly, if you have many other problem like Wi-Fi not showing in the device manager, the Wi-Fi keep disconnecting. So I'm going to share the entire solution to fix all kind of Wi-Fi issues on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So make sure guys you watch the video till the end, apply all the solution carefully so that you should get rid of this problem. Alright, now the very first thing that I would recommend you that please assure if the problem is from your Windows operating system or there is any kind of hardware issues. And it's very simple to find out. What you will have to do, you need to click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. Now here you have to type ping space 127.1.1.1 and hit the enter key. And on my end, you can see that I'm getting the reply from this particular IP address. That is the loopback adapter of my Wi-Fi card. And this clearly indicates that my hardware is working perfectly. And that is the reason I'm getting the reply from my hardware. So if I'm getting the reply from my Wi-Fi adapter, then why my Wi-Fi is not showing up? Why is it not working? So that means the problem is with my operating system, with any kind of settings, or there is any other issues. And that exactly now we will be fixing. But in case, if you don't get the reply, you get any other message like request timeout, then in that case, avoid doing any kind of troubleshooting and better contact any technician who would recommend you to change the Wi-Fi adapter. Alright, now once you are assured that you are getting the reply, next what you have to do, on your keyboard, whether you're using PC or laptop, you need to check if there is any kind of Wi-Fi key, it's not being disabled. I have seen many people doing this kind of mistake that they keep on troubleshooting, but the problem is very simple. They accidentally disable the Wi-Fi key from the keyboard and that's the reason the Wi-Fi has been disabled and they're not able to access it. So check on your laptop keyboard or the PC keyboard, and if you find any key with the Wi-Fi icon, make sure it's not being disabled. Next, right click on the Windows icon, click on settings, look for Windows update and check here for any kind of pending update. Now many times it happens that there is many kind of update available for the Wi-Fi and you have not updated them, and that's the reason the Wi-Fi is not working properly. So you can click here on check for update. Then scroll down and click on advanced option. Look for optional update. Here you will find the driver update. And on my end, you can see I am available with the Intel Corporation, the Bluetooth drivers and the Intel Net. And the chances are that you might also get any update for your Wi-Fi adapter. So whichever driver update are available, kindly go ahead and check them. And then you have to click on download and install. So let all the update downloaded and installed. Once it will be done, you can restart the computer and then check back again. Next, you need to make sure that the Wi-Fi services on your Windows 10 or 11 is working properly. So click on the Windows search of your Windows 10 or 11, type services, hit the enter key. Here look for a service by the name WLAN AutoConfig. So press the W key, then you will come to the W section and then you have to look for WLAN AutoConfig. And here it is, WLAN AutoConfig. Make a double click on it and assure here that the startup type has been selected to automatic and the service status is running. If not, choose the startup type, click on start and then click on apply and OK. Now you can close it. Next, click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. The black window will be up and here you have to run 3 different commands, and all these commands you will be getting in the description. The first one will be netsh space winsock space reset. Once you hit the enter key, it says successfully resetted the winsock catalog. The second command will be netsh space int space ip space reset space log.txt. Hit the enter key again. It will show resetting OK and then it will ask you again to restart the computer. Now we can complete the last command, that will be ipconfig space /flushdns. All right, now once all these commands are completed, go ahead and restart the computer and check back if your Wi-Fi is being written or not, if it's working or not. Now, in case if all these method doesn't work for you, the next what you have to do, click on your Windows search, type msconfig. From the suggestion, click on system configuration. The system configuration box will be up. Here from the top menu option, you will have to click on services. Check the box that says hide all Microsoft services. Then it will list you all the third-party application services running. Now what you have to do, you need to click on disable all, and all these services will be disabled. Then you can click on apply, click on OK, and then you have to go ahead and restart the computer again and check back if the issue has been resolved. Now doing this will also fix the problem of Wi-Fi keep disconnecting. So if your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting or your Wi-Fi is not showing up, and in case the issue get resolved by disabling these third-party services, by making a clean boot, then it means that there is a problem with any third-party application or program. In that case, what you can do, you can manually come to this page. First, you can enable the Adobe services and check back if it's not creating the problem. Then you can come to the AMD or Intel services and so on. You can look for the third party, enable them one by one, and just monitor that whether it is creating any kind of problem or not. Alright, so this is also another amazing and effective solution that you can try. Alright, so if all these method doesn't work for you, then you have to make some changes with the Wi-Fi adapter setting. So open up the device manager, right click on the Windows icon. From the suggestion, you can look for device manager, bring it up. In the device manager, you have to look for the network adapter. Once you get it, you need to make a double click on it, and this will display all kind of network adapter. And here you need to look for the one that should be by the name Intel Wi-Fi 6 or the Realtek Wi-Fi or the TP-Link Wi-Fi. So depending on the manufacturer, you may have the different name here, but whatever the name is, in front of it, you will find the Wi-Fi. But as I said in the beginning, that many people have the same issue that they don't find the Wi-Fi option here as well. So what you need to do, first, from the top menu option, you can click on View and click on Show Hidden Devices, because many times the adapter get hidden, and doing this simple trick can bring up the Wi-Fi adapter back. I still don't find here. Next, what you can do, click any of the adapter here, then click on Action, click on Scan for hardware changes, and bingo. On my end, you can see the Intel Wi-Fi adapter. I got it back. And once I get back, now this time if I click on the system tray at the right hand corner, my Wi-Fi option is back and it seems to be working, right? But in case if you still don't get it, then what you have to do, click on network adapter, then click on action from the top menu option, click on add legacy hardware, click on next, click on install the hardware list that I manually select from a list, click on next. Here scroll down a bit and you have to look for network adapter. Once you get it, make a double click on it. Then from the left hand side, you have to look for the Intel or whichever manufacturer you're using. Then on the right hand side, you can look for the Wi-Fi model here. In case if you don't find here, then you can also look in the Intel Corporation. And on my end, you can see I can easily get over here. So I will select it. Then I will click on next and click on next again. It says completing the add hardware wizard. The following hardware was being installed. So I will click on finish. I will get my Wi-Fi adapter back here. But you can see I am getting a yellow triangle on it. So now what I can do, I can right click on it, click on update driver, click search automatically for drivers. Still if it doesn't work, then you can right click on it again, click uninstall device, click uninstall again click on network adapter, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, and bingo, this time you can see the yellow exclamation mark has been removed. And again, if I click on this system tray icon, I got my Wi-Fi option back. Alright, even if I go to the settings, network and internet, so the Wi-Fi option is back over here. Alright, so this is one of the best and the easiest trick that you can apply in order to fix the problem. Now what I'm assuming now that for many of you might still have the problem and they have not got the solution. So there is still two other method that you can apply in order to fix the problem. And that is that you can try restoring the computer back to the stage when the computer was working fine. So click on Windows search, type restore, click on create a restore point, click on system restore, click on choose a different restore point, click on next, check this box, show more restore point, and select the date here when your computer was working fine. So let's say, I believe on 8/7 of 2025, my computer was working fine, my Wi-Fi was working fine. Then you can select that date, click on next, and the computer will be restoring your Windows 10 or 11 to that particular date when the computer was working fine, and then you will also be getting the Wi-Fi back. So you can also try this method. And in case if none of the solutions are working for you, then finally you can go with one of the most powerful solution, that is Power Flush. Now what happened? While using your PC or laptop, there remain a static charge on your motherboard of your PC and laptop, and due to that static charge, many times you may have the issues with the Wi-Fi, with the audio, even many other problem can occur. So what do you need to do if you are using a PC? You need to shut down your PC, unplug all kind of cable like power cable, any kind of external drive, printer, hard disk, USB, keyboard, remove each and everything. Once removed, now press and hold the power button like for 20 or 25 seconds. Press and hold it. Wait for some time. Once done, now reconnect all the cable back again. And then start the computer. I'm pretty sure this will be helping to fix your Wi-Fi issues. Same you can do on the laptop. Unplug your charger, remove any external devices connected to your laptop. Once done, shut down your laptop. Press and hold the power button for 20 to 25 seconds. Again, you can connect the charger, connect everything, restart the computer. So this is the last solution that you can apply. And I'm pretty sure one of the method among all these will be surely working for you. Please let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. And in case if you still have the problem, please let me know in the comment section along with the detail of your problem so that I can help you in the comment. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully this video will help you. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.